Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the nested if else condition in Java, and also we can learn how to scan integer value in Java from user. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here I use as a simple notepad to type our Java program. So first our definition or goal of this session. So write a program to, we can say that, find out maximum or minimum, yes, maximum number out of three integer. So yes, that is a integer number. So that is our definition. So yes, you have to know that is we can use as a nested if else condition. So first I use as a static, yes, so that our class name max number, and that is our class name. So I think you have to understand the definition. We can compare one integer to other rest of two because three number, and that the one is greater than two, so that is a maximum. So let us check. So yes, public static void main, and then string args, that is one dimensional array, and then we can take three integer as a static. So x equal to 10, then y equal to 20, and z equal to 30. So z is a maximum, we can know, but how it's in programming. So yes, that we can take if condition. So x is or only greater than y, can also use greater than or equal to. And yes, here that again condition, so that is a nested if else. Yes, that is a syntax. You can know one if else condition to other if else condition, so that is a nested, like one for loop on next or like triangle and pyramid programming, we can take nested for loop. So here nested if else. So yes, x is greater than y and x is greater than z, so we can say that max, yes, here we can take one. So otherwise you can print always number of statement four, like here we can print x and else part we can z, again in else part y and z. So better we can take one max variable and store that, and one line only print. So max equal to first is x, and else part we can say that if this condition false, if, so that meaning x is greater than y, but x is less than z, so max equal to z, because x is already greater than y, but x is uh, not greater than z, so that meaning x is greater than. In else part, yes, you have to know very well. In else part, and again that press and if condition. So if main if is false, that meaning y is greater than x and y is greater than z, so we can say that max equal to y. And else part same, if this if condition is false, so max equal to z again. So that is our finish, that complete our logic, and we can print our max variable. So system out dot print, and that is, we can say that maximum number is, and print the max. So that is a finish. Yes, you have to know very simple logic, but that is my aim. We can take as a nested if else condition in Java and take integer value from utility package scanner class, and we can also use the like byte stream and character, but that is in the IO package, so that I cannot explain in this session. So first we can save, yes, and Java Pro, that is my folder, and we can save that file. We have to know the rules of Java. Class name, that is a must name, file name. So class name and file name both are same in Java. So max number dot Java, that we can save. Yes, now let us, I minimize notepad and we can go in the command prompt. So yes, that command prompt recently open in my previous video lecture. So yes, cd slash come out all directory and f colon that change the drive and java pro that is our folder, and then first java path that is my batch file name I run. So all that jdk path, set path and class path both are set. So our class file store in the same file folder. So yes, now we can Java C, that is application launcher of JDK, and we can say that max number dot Java, that is our source file name. So yes, there is no any error, and Java that is on of application launcher tool of JDK, and Java, max number, so NUM, yes, that is our class file name. So you can look, the Z value is a maximum number 30. So yes, we can change. Yes, here we can like get all like 30 here, and here set equal to 10. So I again save, and let us, we can compile and run. So again compile and run. So yes, 30. So that is the x is maximum. So yes, but that I think you have to know very well. That is our maximum. So all that condition perfectly our logic. But how to scan value from Java? So let us start. First, we can import the package. So import java.util utility and scanner. That is a class, scanner class, and then we can scan our value from user. So I can remove the static value, and then we can first that is we can create the object of scanner class. So scanner, yes, you have to know how to create the object. So we can sc and new operator, yes, you have to know, and we can say that scanner, yes, and then we can say that system dot in, that is a input. So let us take first, we can give the message. So system dot out dot in, and that our message. So we can say that enter first number, and then our message, that is like printf in C, or C out in C++, and we can say that x equal to at sc and next int, that is a method int. So we can scan, and then now I can copy and paste. So second two number, same process. So here that is x is scan. Now we can change the message. So here we can say that second number, yes, and here I take as y, and then here and z, and change the message, enter the third integer number, or we can say that enter first number second, or you can also use enter first integer number, but that is also possible, means simple. So you can also give the message integer first number second number. Here I only use enter first number second number and third number. So let us check. I save. Yes, very easy. So you can look. The import is a keyword. Java, that is our package or library. UTI, utility, that is a package, and scanner, that is a class. And we can create new operator. Yes, you have to know in C++, that is a new and delete. Here no required delete. That is garbage collection automatically in Java. So yes, that is GC garbage collection, and scanner class we can create, and system.in, that is our input stream. So that is a, we can scan here system out.print, that enter that message and scan X, Y, and Z. So let us, I save and compile. So yes, I again save and means compile. So yes, there is no any error. So let us, yes, enter first number. So we can scan like any value. So here I like 10, enter second, yes, third 20, and third. So you can look, maximum number is 30. Again I run, yes, means that directly run, not compile only one time. So now I give the like first is a we can change. So uh, we can say that 30, then 20 and 10. So x is maximum first. Again I run directly. So we can say that 20, yes, here first second number 30 and then 10. So you can look all that condition, all cases. So we can also take more case like year 20, yes, and then 30 and next 10. So that is also perfect. Now what to do? So here we can say that 20, then 10, and then 30. So that is all case you can look. And now I can give the CLS, clear the screen. So yes, that is our complete all case. So I think you have to understand. So very important session for your knowledge that we can use utility package scanner class that scan our integer value in Java. So how take value from Java integer, that is I cover in this part. So next int is a method of scanner class, and we can scan our int or integer variable. So that perfectly. So previously we can give the static value, but now we can use as dynamically in the Java. So you take value from user. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So any question regarding this definition, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and subscribe my channel. Yes, that is must be. So whenever I upload my video lecture, you get the notification. So yes, that subscribe my channel and then share as your friend to my video lecture. So more help to your knowledge, increase your Java programming. So thanks again and Hare Krishna.